All right, new mobile home buyers. I want to talk about land prep. Everything with prepping your land for your house. So far, we have got our land. We've gotten pre-approved. We've picked our house. All right, now let's make sure that the land is ready. We call this a site visit. Some people call it a quote. It is basically going to look at your land and ensuring that everything is ready or that we know what we need to do to get the house on your land, okay? So we got to review your needs. Also, we're going one take. So no edits. All right, clearing, grading. So everybody comes to me and says, my land is flat. My land is flat. But some people think this is flat. Some people think this is flat. Some people think this is flat. We need to make sure that our flats are the same flat. My flat is your flat, okay? So we have to go and look and make sure that there is a flat piece of land for your house to go on. Now, you're usually always going to require some sort amount of dirt or some sort amount of fill to make that perfect pad for your house. Utilities. Are there utilities there? Are they prior utilities? And are those still up to date? Are those still appropriate for the house you're going to have? Okay. Does it have the utilities there? Do we have a septic tank there? Do we need a septic tank? Do we need to test an old existing septic tank? Okay. And what kind of water source? A water tap? Do you need a well? Do you have electric there? Do you have an electric meter? Okay. And then access. In terms of access, a couple things. You might have a gate in your lawn. You might have a bunch of trees where your house is going to go. So we need to make sure that all of our equipment and all of the delivery equipment for the house are able to access the land. Okay. Next is the foundation. What kind of foundation is this that you're going to do for the house? Okay. Is it going to be more of a permanent foundation, a forever home? Do you want it to not? Are you doing just a chattel loan, and chattel meaning house only? And you're not sure if this is even your land, so you don't want to leave it there forever. So we need to understand how the house is going to sit. You want to get estimates from your contractors early. You want to make sure that we are getting ahead of the ballpark and getting ahead of the game here and ensuring that we are getting you the estimates that you need. Coordinate timing between dealer and contractor, okay? Usually the dealer and the contractor are working together. But if you are working by yourself, let's say you want to get all of the prep work done by yourself, let's say you can do it all for cheaper, which I believe that you can. But if you decide to go that route, you need to make sure that there is an alignment between how the work is getting done, when the work is getting done, and when the house is going to arrive on the lot and be ready to go to your land so that it can be delivered and set on your land. And then you want to make sure that your improvements meet both the dealer and the lender requirements, okay? Now, we do certain things that not all dealers do, but we do certain things to cover our backside in the event that we have to take possession of the house, in the event that there's a natural disaster. We need to make sure that we are covered, okay? So we might do a little bit more than what than what most dealers might do. But also there's lender requirements, okay? Are you doing an FHA? Are you doing a VA loan? Are you doing a conventional loan? The type of loan sometimes requires certain things. Some places might require like a termite inspection. Some places might require, a flooding, some sort of flooding certification. So you need to understand all the improvements and all the requirements from the dealer and the lender. All right, so that was a quick 3-minute video. My name is Jesus. I'm located in Upstate South Carolina. If you want to work with me, shoot me a text below. See you in the next one where we're going to talk about the following steps going under contract and also having the house delivered and getting the keys in your hand, okay? I have videos every Monday morning and Thursday night. Start the weekend, end the weekend. Subscribe. Talk soon. Bye-bye.